I'm Casey Peil, and I'm going to be hosting a beginner makeup and skincare class. And so what I'm going to be doing is teaching you basic skincare, and then I'm going to be teaching you how to do the simplest or the most intense makeup, the beginnings of all that. So if you are interested in finding out like the basics of how to do good makeup and skincare, just the bare minimum, and then there'll be an advanced class if you're a little bit beyond that. So the bare minimum, beginnings, basics of makeup and skincare class is going to be hosted this date at this time, and the registration is this amount, and you can send that to Venmo or PayPal. I will have both of those links in the description below where you can send the registration fee. That includes your samples that will be sent to your home, and that also includes the simple processing of what it's going to take for me to do this course. It's really not going to make me any money. It's just going to cover the expenses of the course. If you can send your registrations to those areas, then I need you to email this email, kasijaypeil.business@gmail.com, and you're going to tell me your skin type, your coloration, and what you're most interested in learning in this class. I need your skin type so I can make sure I can send you appropriate samples, and then I need your coloration to know if you are very lack of pigment or very blessed with pigment, so I can send you the things you're going to need for this course. So if you guys are interested and you think that's going to be really fun, make sure to register and also email. I'll put all of the information in the description below so I can make sure you guys get exactly what you need, or description above. Depends on if I'm posting this on my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. So look accordingly as you can get the information to join me in my course. If that sounds interesting, I'd love to have you. Make sure to sign up while spots are available, because I can't do it for 1,000 people. I mean, maybe I can. Maybe I can. I'll just need a lot of Red Bull that day. Anyways, I love you all. I hope to see you there. Make sure to sign up below or above. Also, I have a Facebook page, another Facebook page, a YouTube page, and an Instagram page. So if you're interested in always staying up to date with me, getting the freebies, the free blog posts, the free information, the free videos, if you're interested in all those freebies, make sure to follow me on those pages, which information will also be above and on screen. I'd love to see you guys all there and be a part of my community. Bye guys.